pork chops on the grill on direct heat. Okay? But the chicken's gonna go over there on the indirect heat.
Why are you doing that, Uncle Chris?
Because this is a thicker piece of meat, so we want to sear it close. Then we can move the chicken off and move this over.
Okay, tell me some more about the meat. How is it cut and what part of it?
These
Or
are center cut pork chops. Now they take a little bit longer to cook, but not too much longer. Remember, any white meat cooks pretty quick and can dry out. Okay. Now, I'll just put that many pork chops on here for now. These, because they have honey in the marinade, I'm putting them over here because honey will burn. Okay? Put these over here, indirect heat, and they will be lovely.
isn't it lovely?
Who sings that song? Yeah, let's keep it that way. I'm just joking.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see Uncle Chris get hit upside the head?
Nah. This is a no violence show.
We will save the violence for the animals that we eat.
Take a parallel of Chicago right now. Look at that. It is a rainy day about to be, but that's okay. We just took some of the pork chops off the grill. The rest are coming soon. And I'm going to make my barbecue sauce. We're going to glaze these pork chops. I've already put some garlic in the skillet over here. Now, we're going to take us some ketchup. Oh, this is a brand new one. Yes, it's going to be a ketchup base with some liquid smoke. You know, I love my liquid smoke, y'all. I live by that stuff. Yes, I do. We're laying that side down.
So how much ketchup are you going to use, Uncle Chris?
About, I would say for all these pork chops, at least a cup. Okay?
I don't like the sound of that, though.
That's all right. I'm also going to put a little bit of water in here.
How much water?
About a cup.
All right.
Make that half a cup. Okay. I'm going to add as I go. Okay.
So I'm going to jump around here just a little bit to show you what you are doing.
We're going to make the base of it. Okay. Mm-hmm. You have to add a little more ketchup. But this is the base of your sauce, okay? All right. I'm using up this man's ketchup. Yes, I am. Now, we're only going to put in about a tablespoon of mustard.
Now I know my granddaddy used to add Dijon mustard.
Yeah, you can add that too. All right, stir it around. Okay? We'll make it like this is the base. Then we're going to add to that base. Okay? Now, once you've done that, take your liquid smoke and put plenty in here. I mean, plenty.
So how much is plenty?
At least a tablespoon, okay? At least. All right.
What does liquid smoke do? How does smoke become liquid?
Flavor, like it's been over the wood, over the coals. We're going to add some honey. About half a cup of that. Okay. I'm going to stir this around. Now look, see how the color's changing a little bit. Now as we go, it's going to darken. Okay?
I like that smell, Uncle Chris.
Oh, it's going to get better. We're going to add some smoked paprika. Okay? Plenty.
Not regular paprika, but smoked paprika.
I'm going to add the last of my Uncle Chris seasoning for barbecue in here as well. Now I'm going to put in some more onion powder. About a teaspoon. Gonna put in some more garlic powder. Same amount. Now, here comes the secret ingredient. Brown
Here
sugar.
comes the sun. I want some of your brown sugar.
No copyright infringement intended. Now, watch what happens. See the color change again.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm wondering if that's going to be enough, because you have a big pan of chops over there.
That's what the water's for. Add in the water. It's going to thicken up. Just remember, you got sugar in here, you got honey. And we're going to add a little more honey. I think so. Mm-hmm. Get here, it's full. Let me try. See how this is coming out so far. Now remember the sauce is hot now, so you won't see me burn my lips. I'll say that all the time.
Hot stuff, hot stuff. What was that? Is that the Happy Chef dance you're doing, Uncle
You got
Chris?
that right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's loaded. Put some more of this honey over here. You know what? I'm gonna put some of my chef magic in here. Just because. I think so.
Chef, do you believe
Now I put a tablespoon
in
in there.
magic?
Okay? Because I wanted to have, oh, look at the coming tree, look at this. Now you see how, look what it did. Turn darker. Now we're going to let the spices marinate up in here.
How long are we going to let the spices marinate?
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Minute by minute by... I'm sorry, Uncle Chris. I keep singing these wonderful songs.
I'll edit them out. Well, as long as it's not the actual song, we don't own the rights to any of the music you've heard in this show. A little more honey. I know you're gonna kill me. And I'm gonna put some more brown sugar in here. Because you want the sauce thick. And remember, it's just a glaze to go over these pork chops. Okay. Now, stir all this in, and I'm gonna add the chops to it. I'm also gonna let my anonymous Mr. Cameraman here try it out. All right, we'll be right back. And nephews, it is done. Come take a look at this. Ooh. The star of the show, of course, is glazed pork chops, barbecue style. Then we've got unglazed. Of course, mac and cheese. You know I'm going to do my mac and cheese. Look how the beans came out. Look how they came out. And our barbecued hot sauce chicken. All right. This is Uncle Chris. I'm so glad everybody invited me over to cook for them in their kitchen. And what a lovely kitchen it is. Makes me want to redo mine. I tell you what, big love from Uncle Chris. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know what I can cook for you.
All right. Can I get a plate, Uncle Chris?
Absolutely. Come on. We're going to chow down, y'all. All right. Really?
Yes.
Ooh. Start making plates, y'all. Come on. We're going to make some plates, y'all. Mac and cheese.